We begin tonight on the path forward. Health officials are noting a promising coronavirus trend. They say the number of pediatric COVID cases has not really increased, even with the return to schools. NBC 15's Corey Pippen found out what could be causing it and why officials say now is not the time to be complacent. Corey?
Greg, the trend is encouraging, but health officials stress there could be a number of reasons why more kids aren't showing up on coronavirus case counts. On the playground, in the classroom, kids, like everyone, are facing a new reality where masks and social distancing are common. While children have a lower risk of becoming seriously ill, it can happen. The good news, health officials say, is the number of pediatric COVID-19 cases statewide hasn't spiked.
If you look at our 5 to 17 age group for the last several weeks, we're seeing about 7% in our pediatric.
Dr. Karen Landers, assistant state health officer, says experts theorize that children are more resilient to the disease because they have less of what's called an ACE2 lung enzyme, which allows the virus to pass into the cells.
Maybe there's less expression of that in younger children, so we might see less COVID, but we don't test children as much as we do adults.
Renee Phillips with the Mobile County Public School System believes remote learning has also helped lower the numbers.
Had we gone back on August 10th when they were high, if we had added our 54,000 students to our 7,000 adults in our buildings, we don't think it would be going down. About 60% of Alabama's public school students are doing school remotely across the state.
In Baldwin County, most kids are back on campus. County public school officials don't release how many students have tested positive, but the number of COVID-19 related absences, while varying, has not dramatically increased.
I think it's going to be incumbent that we do the right things, that we wear our masks, that we practice social distancing, that sort of thing, and that we teach our children to do the same.
Phillips says Mobile County public school officials are working on a transition plan if the numbers continue to go down. She says when they feel it's safe enough, students will be allowed to return to campus or continue to learn remotely. Reporting live in Baldwin County tonight, I'm Corey Pippen, NBC 15 News.